Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Robinhood Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Robinhood Wallet application if you have already installed it, and then you will see the Get Started button once you open it up. Now after you tap on the Get Started button, you have two different options. You can either create a new wallet or tap on Import your existing wallet. To log into your existing wallet, tap on the second option which says Import your existing wallet. After you tap on this option, you will be asked to enter the seed key that was given to you while signing up for your account. Just type in your seed key in the correct order and then tap on the next button, and once your key has been verified, you will be able to tap on the Continue button to add a layer of security onto your account. You can either use your Face ID or a manual PIN. After setting up your security, you will be welcomed to your account and directly signed in to your existing account on Robinhood Wallet. And now you can directly start trading your crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Robinhood Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.